Allegedly, the Pixel 5a is coming out the end of August 2021. Let's talk about that. What's up, everybody? This is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the alleged and the rumored, the illustrious Pixel 5a. Now, these rumors and these leaks come from Front Page Tech, which is another John Prosser special. Now, according to this and this fancy cheat sheet that I have right here, this is going to come in mostly black. The only color it's going to be is, in fact, mostly black. 6.4-inch display, coming in with a 765G with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and a refresh rate of 60 hertz, although he says forced to 90 hertz. I'm not entirely sure about that. It's going to come with a whopping 4,650 milliamp hours, but no wireless charging. It's going to be IP67 rated with a headphone jack, and it's going to be $450. Now, a couple things that I believe are going to be the case, and I kind of mentioned this in this video. As a matter of fact, I feel like I've said some of those things before. But the more important thing is I think you're going to have an affordable price. I don't think you're going to see anything that's more than $450. I would be really surprised if you saw something that was more than $450. So I actually do believe that John is mostly right in this. I do think there's a couple things that we're probably needing to talk about. I think Google's going to get away from the under glass stereo speakers, which means for all those people that hated Google from putting the under glass stereo speakers in the Pixel 5, you must rejoice, because I think they're going to go to something a lot like what you'll see in the Pixel 6, which is the speaker at the actual top, kind of hidden in a chin, so to speak, or a forehead. So I don't think you're going to start to see anything crazy as it relates to under glass in the 5a. Personally, I'm pretty excited about the fact that they were able to keep the price down, use all the good pieces and parts from the 4a, the 4a 5G, and then the Pixel 5, because there's going to be a lot of things that was in the Pixel 5 that's going to be in the Pixel 5a, according to the alleged rumors. We're still going to have that fingerprint scanner on the back. Still going to have that nice 1080p display. It's going to be a battery sipper with 4,600 milliamp. That is a massive battery, and it's going to be just slightly bigger than the 4a 5G. So they're going to give us a bigger phone with bigger battery. Oh, by the way, also comes with a headphone jack. So you're going to get all of the goodness out of the A series, and you're going to probably also be able to do 4K 30, maybe even 4K 60 when it relates to shooting video out of the 5a. By the way, according to John over at Front Page Tech, it's actually going to be the end of August. So you're going to see an August 26th release date, which means we're just a few weeks away from Pixeltember, August, Poctober. What do you call all this Pixel stuff? Because you got like the Pixel stuff that's coming out here in late August, according to John. Then you have like all the super hype stuff that you get into when you're getting into like the October normal release time for the Pixel 6. And then so far, if you go and you watch that video where I talked about there was going to be 4 different Pixels, the 5a, the Pixel 6, and the Pixel 6 Pro, that's 3. So, and I said that there was going to be 4. So I'm at least 75% accurate. But where is the fold in all of this? That's the thing. I don't know, but this is about the 5a. I'm still excited because they've been able to put, if it's the 765G, it means it's going to be a 5G chip, which means instead of the 4a just being 4G LTE, it means we're going to have a $450 5G enabled device that can do 4K 30 or 4K 60 frames a second. That's IP67, water resistant, with a headphone jack. In the grand scheme of things, I think this thing is going to be a freaking steal at a $450 price point. Also means that Google's probably going to have the bottom tier, the mid tier, and the best device in the upper tier. It is awfully a good time to be on Team Pixel. So that's it. That's all I have. And as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.